What's up, story fans? Today I'm going to show you how I pulled off Toga's vocal effects in our newest book, Blood Under the Moon. So let's start by hearing the raw file.
You would willingly make a deal with the darkness.
First thing we're going to do is add a pitch shift. I like to go down by 2 semitones and leave a little bit of dry there for a cool double vocal effect. Now let's hear it.
You would willingly make a deal with the darkness.
Sounding pretty cool. Next we're going to copy the clip, then we're going to render a reverse reverb. I'll be using Avid Studio Reverb with our special preset. Make sure you crank the mix to 100%. Now let's hit reverse and how's that sound?
You would willingly make a deal with the darkness.
Now add some regular reverb.
You would willingly make a deal with the darkness.
Now let's finish the edit and hear it in context.
You would willingly make a deal with the darkness.
No sacrifice is too great to accomplish my goal.
StoryWalker presents an original audiobook series, Blood Under the Moon, coming soon. And there you have it. Make sure to check out Blood Under the Moon on Patreon and Spotify. See you next time, story fans.